Hey everyone, this is SEA Crypto Daily Buzz. Today is Friday, July 24th, 2026. This channel summarizes the most important crypto news for investors in Southeast Asia. 3 stories today. 9 of the biggest Bitcoin institutions launching a $15 million consortium to prepare Bitcoin for quantum computing threats. A cross-chain bridge exploit draining $35 million across 3 protocols in a single 6-hour window. And the 7-day US Bitcoin ETF inflow streak breaking as oil crosses $100 and new US tariffs hit. Story 1. On July 23rd, 9 of the largest institutional Bitcoin players launched the Bitcoin Security Consortium, pledging $15 million over 3 years for Bitcoin's long-term security. Founding members include BlackRock, Coinbase, Strategy, Fidelity Digital Assets, Galaxy, ARK Invest, and Block. The main focus is post-quantum cryptography. Coinbase research estimates 20 to 50% of the Bitcoin supply is potentially exposed to a future quantum attack, and credible timelines put a large enough quantum computer as early as 2030. My take for Southeast Asia. Not an immediate price catalyst, a long-term structural signal that institutions now treat Bitcoin security as a public good. For Filipino, Vietnamese, and Indonesian holders using regional custodians, this is a quiet positive. Story 2. On July 23rd, 3 separate cross-chain protocols were drained in a 6-hour window, losing a combined $35 million, according to security firms Blockade and PeckShield. The Verus Ethereum bridge alone lost about $7.5 million in ETH, tokenized Bitcoin and stablecoins. The attacker reused the same bug class that already drained the bridge for $11.5 million in May. Verus' total value locked has collapsed from around $100 million at the start of 2025 to just $9 million today. My read for SEA traders. Cross-chain bridges are the main rail Filipino and Vietnamese retail users take to reach non-Bitcoin ecosystems. 35 million across 3 protocols in one day is a real risk signal, not an isolated incident. For long-term holdings, native deposits are safer than bridged tokens. Story 3. Bitcoin's 7-day ETF inflow streak has broken. After roughly $981 million flowed in through yesterday, spot Bitcoin ETFs are now seeing a 24-hour net outflow near $444 million. Bitcoin trades near 65,320, off the 66,750 high from Monday. Ethereum sits near 1,877. At the same time, Brent crude pushed above $100 for the first time in 45 days on rising Middle East geopolitical tensions, and new U.S. Section 301 tariffs on dozens of countries took effect early today. Nasdaq dropped about 2%. My read for Southeast Asia. This is a macro risk cluster, not a crypto-specific event. Oil above 100, new tariffs, and ETF momentum breaking all land at once. I would want a clean daily close above 66,500 to reset bullish, or a test of 63,500 before flipping bearish. For OFW remittance flows out of the Philippines, watch oil more than crypto this week. Quick recap. 1. 9 Bitcoin giants pledge $15 million for quantum defense. 2. 3 cross-chain protocols drained of $35 million in 6 hours. 3. Bitcoin ETF 7-day streak breaks as oil tops $100. This video is for information and education only and is not financial advice. All investment decisions and risks are your own responsibility. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. And if you want more chart analysis and trading insights, join our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. See you in the next one.